This right here is an algebraic expression. There's letters and numbers. It's expressing something. It's not an equation. There's no equal sign. Expression. We want to find out, we want to plug in an A value and a C value and then find out what the output would be. The A value is right there. The C value is right there. We're going to plug them in to this expression and see what we get out. So this is going to go in for the A. This is going in for C. A and C. So what I do, you could do it differently, but I tend to just put A blank minus 5 times blank. Those two letters got replaced with blanks. Minus 4. And inside of those blanks, well, we said A is 5, so the 5 goes right here. And inside of that C, we said is negative 2. So we replace the letters with blanks, and then we plug into the blanks the numbers that are stated over here. And once we got all that, we then simplify this. We have to use order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So in this situation, we're going to multiply first. We go left to right. 3 times 5 is 15. And then, do you understand this? Negative 5 times negative 2, which is positive 10. Okay. Close. We now add and subtract, left to right. That gives you 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. Yes. That gives you 25. 25 minus 4 is 21. So, mistakes happen. If I change my A and C value, would my answer here change? Yes. Not always.
Now, how do you change the negative to a minus?
That's a negative 5 times a negative 2 would be a positive 10. And negative times a negative is a positive.
I thought that was a subtraction.
Alright, now, number 2. We're going to plug the same thing in. Plug in the values. But here's our X and Y. Put little, you could put blanks, you could also put underline spots for them, if you want, however you want to. And what's going to go in the first spot? The 3 or the negative 4? X, which is the 3. And the Y is a negative 4. Now, do you understand that's a times right there? It's 2 times negative 4. 2y is 2 times negative 4. Now, oh, you know what I always forget, and you probably do the same? Don't forget little negative 8 right here, or minus 8. Do you see it? I forget that guy all the time because it kind of just gets lost. Anyways, so minus 8 still there. Okay. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, so we first do the parentheses. And inside the parentheses, do we first subtract or multiply? You multiply. So negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. And then I just rewrite everything around it. Okay. I'm not done with my parentheses, so what's 3 plus 8? 11. And now we multiply or minus? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We multiply first. It's negative 55 minus 8, which ends up with negative 63. Again, if we plugged in a different value for x or a different value for y, your output would be different. You got to deal with order of operations and so forth.